Old wooden steps beneath my shoes, cheap radio humming local news. Two men sitting in folding chairs, watching clouds drift anywhere. A screen door tapping in the breeze, someone sipping quiet tea. Afternoon without a plan, just the same old span. Time hangs easy in the air, like a jacket on a chair. Old song drifting through, nothing new. Let that little radio play, carry the sound through the day. Hands tapping slow on the wood, everything feeling good. Light along the rail, someone telling one more tale. Distant whistle somewhere near, night beginning to appear. Crickets tuning up the ground, soft and steady evening sound. That same station rolling on after the sun is gone. Years can pass us by the same, still the rhythm stays unchanged. Every chord